everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to download Backup and Sync for your computer. So Backup and Sync is a product by Google for Google Drive. What it allows you to do is it allows you to access files from your drive on your computer, and also allows you to upload files from your computer up to your drive. So it's a pretty handy feature, especially if you're using multiple computers. So I'm going to show you how to download it and set it up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your drive, and if you go to computers, you can see right now it says no computer syncing, and it says to sync folders I have to install Backup and Sync. So I'm going to go to learn more. This is the little help page. So I want to install it, so I'm going to go to Windows because that's the OS I'm using. If you're using Mac, of course you're going to go to Mac and download it from there. So I'm going to click on download Backup and Sync. So now there's two options. One is business or personal. So the business is the drive file stream, and the personal is the Backup and Sync. So since I'm going to be using it for personal use, I'm going to click on the personal and click on download. Agree and download, and click on this exe file, and click yes. I don't know if you can see this, but it says, do you want to allow this to make changes to your device? You're going to click yes. And now it's just going to download and install it. So I'll be back when it does so. So the installation is complete. I'm going to click on close. And now I have Backup and Sync installed. So once it's installed, there's a little pop-up that'll come here, so I can right click on sign in, and have this thing, all of your files at your fingertips, and click on get started. I'm going to put in my login information. So once you put in your information, you can go and sign in. Click on sign in. And it's going to ask me if I want to choose folders from my computer to back up to drive. So you can do that. I don't want to do that right now, but that's the folders that will show up in the computers tab. So I'm just going to uncheck because I don't want to do that. And then you can upload the photos to either original quality, which will go against your 15 gigabyte or how many storage you have, or you can do high quality, which is just free unlimited, which is pretty good quality, just not the best. And click next, and you can optionally upload photos and videos to Google Photos. Click on next. And now you can sync the files from your drive to the folder on this computer, which I think is the best feature. So you can either sync everything or just a certain folders. So I'm going to click everything, start. And now I have my Google Drive folder here. But one issue you may notice is that the folder does not get its own kind of section in the navigation pane, like the This PC or the OneDrive or the Creative Cloud files. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to get this Google Drive into the navigation pane. And it's not as simple as just dragging and dropping it there. It's a little bit of a process to it, but I'll be showing you how to do that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.